Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are getting into another Zaharoff fragrance. In particular, we are looking at Zaharoff Signature Seraphim Red. Yeah. Now, listen, I tried the blue one. I quite like this. So, let's see if the red can measure up to the blue. If it's something that is similar in quality. That blue is damn good. I'm not going to hold you. So without further ado, hit the like, hit the subscribe, but also join the Accord. One newsletter a month. Stay connected. We're going to get this on the bottom of the wrist. One more. Bam. Now the atomizer on this one was not as strong as. Ooh. You know, people say I get nothing but alcohol. Like, I don't ever experience that. I don't know. This is different. This is definitely in the other direction. I'm getting like a lot of vetiver. It's a very dry fragrance, but there's something prickly in there. Something prickly. All right, let's see what we got here. We got marine notes, aromatic, woody, salty, aquatic, soft spice, sweet, and white floral. This is definitely changing. There's the prickly. You got pink pepper in the top. Look, your boy is good. Your boy is good. I'm picking up all of them. Pine, pink pepper, eucalyptus. In the middle notes, you have sea salt. I'm sorry. You have sea notes, salt, seaweed, orange blossom, ylang. And in the base, you have amber, sandalwood, white musk, and vetiver. Your boy, listen. Yeah, where are you getting entertainment like this? Knowledge. Vetiver off the top. Honestly, I think these are both great fragrances to have. If you buy one, buy the other. These are great to have together. They definitely round out your kit. This has changed a lot, man. It's still dry. It's still got that vetiver appeal. I think that there's like a burning candle aspect to this. You know, like like outside of, you know, because candles take a little while to warm up, right? But you know how when you light a candle, how you get that waxy slash, I don't know what that thing is called in the middle. I guess a wick slash stem or whatever. This is giving me that, but there's also something in here that's very sweet. It kind of reminds me of walking in the candle section in CVS. It does smell like that. Yeah, this smells like candle wax. As far as there's something in here that's kind of sweet. It must be the ylang. This is okay. I think this is more. Damn, this is good. Oh my gosh, that blue seraphim is good. I think this one is more of a. I think this is more particular. This is for somebody who is interested in something that's a little bit fringe, you know, something that's a little different. Let's get this camera following me. I'm moving around. I pulled a muscle in my back earlier, so I'm moving around today. Let's see if this camera can get active. Yeah, this reminds me of something that's a little bit more niche, just as far as quality of taste, right? Like, this is something that is appealing to you. The more I smell it, the more it gets in line with what it wants to do. It's really opening up, man. This fragrance has changed probably the most out of any fragrance I've opened up from this house. This is totally different. I'm almost not even getting vetiver anymore. Damn, this is good, man. Oh. This smells like a candle, man. Like a Yankee candle. Like that very end of it or the very beginning. This is good stuff. I would say, I don't know, man. It's not a traditional fragrance in my opinion, as far as like the things that I have smelled. So I don't want to necessarily say that this is for winter, spring, or whatever. I think this is just something that's appealing to to somebody who's looking for something like this. I think if you're a big fan of Yankee Candle, you know, because some people just have to have a Yankee Candle a season. You know what I'm saying? So if you're one of those types of people, you can carry it with you on your body. I would say it's slightly more feminine. I would say this is 60-40 female. There's just nothing in here, I think, that would gravitate to a male perspective. But men could wear it. It's not, you know, there's nothing floral about this. I do think it's interesting that it is a marine fragrance. But you know what? I kind of get it. There's a sweet, you know how like on a hot summer day in the morning, when you go to the beach, there's like this warm, like comforting, salty, sweet air that comes off the ocean and kind of just boosh, like blows you back. That's in here. I don't know how to describe it other than that. But if you have my video, if you watch my video about coastal cypress from Molten Brown, it's like the opposite of that one. Like that's like sand and like, you know, shrubbery. This is more like your feet are in the water and like the warm air is coming off. Somehow this like smells warm. This is quite the experience, man. It's quite the experience. You definitely should get a nose on this one for sure. I think, God damn. I'm sorry. That blue syrup, between the two of these, man, these, gosh, man. Oh, let me show you guys what it looks like. These two fragrances, guys. I see why they're on the front page of dang. I see why they're on the front page. Whoa. I see why they're on the, oh wow, look at that. Why they're on the front page of their house. They should be very proud of this. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, man, these are good. These are good. So I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think. These are kind of hard to describe. They're more experienced notes, in my opinion, and they're also very different as far as how they mechanically work. But I'm a big fan. I really like these. It's finally putting me in the mind frame of like, I see where the hype is at for this house. Cause like, listen, it was a dark road where I was like, what's going on here? These are quality fragrances and I like these a lot. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I appreciate you guys watching so much. Thank you. It's going to be an excellent 2026. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.